merci déjà aux gens des bidonvilles, sans qui tout ça n'aurait pas été possible. Je pense que c'est à eux que va ce prix. Et puis merci aussi aux équipes au Kenya qui ont fait le succès de ce projet par leur investissement, puisque toutes les équipes de solidarité internationale dans les bidonvilles vivent dans les bidonvilles. C'est des gens qui habitent dans les bidonvilles. Donc je pense que ça a largement contribué au succès du projet. Merci à la Fondation Yves Rocher pour nous avoir permis de vivre cette aventure avec eux.
The concept of the project is to eradicate poverty and to help the beneficiary get their food at their doorstep. It creates job to the youth, and also it helps some other youths to get out from their activities, bad activities like smuggling people. We have a group of women and men who are taking care of these activities. We teach them how to prepare the sack and how to take care of the seedbed, like seedbed management, soil management, pest and disease management. Organophonic is another system where these activities benefited mostly the youth and also the women. Most of the women have accepted this project because they are saving a lot from the vegetable.
We started this after post-election 2007, immediately with Solidarity. They empowered us, they trained us, and they just told us to go on with these sacks. The vegetables are helping me to eat and to improve a little bit of saving.
For your children too?
For my children and good health. Sometimes I don't go to market to buy vegetables. I just buy egg to mix with this one. That money I can use to buy vegetable within the market.
Because they plant the vegetable at their doorstep, and they also help their husband to save money. The money they save from the vegetable, they also help their husband to pay the school fees and also the rent.
The men, they are there to support us when we are weak, but they don't. Only when we need them. Not all the times, yes. But they are good.
They are good.
They are good. Sometimes we need them. Yeah.